Easy, little guy. It's okay.
Alright, we're not gonna hurt you, see? Warm glove, you can trust me.
Good boy or girl. We'll figure it out. Hey, little guy. You okay? Look at you.
So tiny, poor thing's freezing.
You okay here by the fire? Warming you up?
Yeah, let's get him inside the tent.
You little buddy. You're alright.
Shaking, poor thing's frozen. I've got you. Try this. Just try this.
That's it. Good girl. Yeah, he's warmer now. Look at his eyes. You're safe. Got him? Poor little guy shaking.
Not by the fire.
He'll be alright. He's tougher than he looks. Little shaking. You okay, buddy? Keep him by the fire once it's steady. Right behind you.
Poor little thing's freezing.
Gotcha, buddy. You're safe now.
Look at those eyes.
We'll warm you by the fire in a minute. He's shaking a little. Poor thing must be frozen.
Got him. Hey, little guy, you're okay.
He's warm by the fire. He's lighter than I thought.
We'll get him settled in the tent.
Guy's still shaking. You okay there, buddy? Sounds good. We won't be long out here. Easy little guy. Almost there. He doesn't like this wind either. Hey buddy, it's okay, warm hand, see? Got some fight in him, and I'm gonna warm up by the fire.
Sharp stick. Poor little thing shaking.
Yeah, it's freezing. Tuck him in close.
Got him.
Look at his eyes.
He'll warm up by the fire soon enough.
There you go, buddy.
Safe spot.
It's just the head. Fire's still going. Good. Little guy shaking, warming up.
He's freezing. Cover his back.
Yeah. We'll get him by the fire for a
Okay,
bit.
slip him inside your jacket.
There we go. Hang in there, buddy. Still shivering a bit. Little guy. You're okay. Light as snow.
Easy there, little one. We'll find them. Tracks. Fresh. Come on. Hear that? Someone's calling back.
Trust us?
He doesn't have much choice out here. Let's get him warm.
It's okay. We're not gonna hurt you.
Oh, it's warm by the fire.
That's it. Good.
Yeah, you're alright.
Easy there. Let's get you clean. Another warm rub. Good job, little one. Take your time with the milk. That's it. Quiet now. You're safe. Rest. I'll be right here.